Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the name of any music, or song on both iPhone and Android devices. So if you ever hear a song playing somewhere and don't know its name, don't worry. I'll show you the easiest way to identify it in just a few seconds. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store if you're using an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you're using Android. In the search bar, type Shazam and make sure you download the official app. Also, check that it's updated to the latest version. Once it's installed, tap on Open to launch the app. Now tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Here, make sure to turn on the option called Identify Songs on Start. After enabling that option, go back to the main screen. Now tap on the big Shazam button in the center. Next, play the song on another device so your phone can hear it through the microphone. Once your phone detects the music, Shazam will automatically identify the song and show you the name, artist, and more details within seconds. And that's it! That's how you can easily find any song on iPhone or Android. Thanks!